international country. So it has a very good footprint. You know that it is already connected internationally and also pan-India. And each chapter actually acts as a chapter wherein you can access them. जैसे आप कश्मीर का चैप्टर है, कोई कश्मीर में बिजनेस करना चाहता है, एक्सेस करना चाहता है, wants to know, wants to have connects here, you act as that bridge. And similarly, एक अगर आप बाहर कहीं पर करना चाहते हो, दिल्ली में करना चाहते हैं, कोयम्बटूर में, I'm taking a very far off name, so that you know, so that साउथ में करना चाहते हैं, तो FTII is the best chapter which we can actually go to and ask them कि हमारे को इस चीज में हमारे को लीड दे दीजिए, हमें कनेक्ट्स दे दीजिए, और वो कनेक्ट्स क्रेडिबल कनेक्ट्स हैं, because that's from a business community, so pairs are connected. So and FTII is under the aegis of the Ministry of Industries and Commerce and बहुत ही well connected है under with the Ministry of Industries and Commerce. The national leadership of FTII is also very, very closely working on this relationship between the government and the industry. The objective of FTII is हम कैसे ट्रेड और इंडस्ट्री को ग्रो करेंगे पैन इंडिया. कश्मीर में ये वाला चैप्टर नहीं था, बट हाउ डू वी गेट कश्मीर इनटू द मेन स्ट्रीम ऑफ, मैं पॉलिटिकल की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं मेन स्ट्रीम ऑफ ट्रेड एंड इंडस्ट्री की बात कर रही हूँ. While talking to you all, I realized that there's a lot of opportunity which we feel कि हमने explore नहीं किया है. You talked about innovation, you talked about industry, academia, research, वो सारी चीजें नहीं है. वैसे ही बहुत सारी चीजें होंगी when we will be talking about those industries, they might not be there, but that is where we have to work hard to get that. So our national leadership is with Mr. Bansal, Sanjay Bansal. He is the advisor and an expert in BFSI, that is banking financial sector, and he's very, very strong in that. He's also a national board member of the RBI, Ministry, Trade, Welfare Board, बहुत सारे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के committees और bodies में, and in fact I have actually bridged it. I can share the profile if you want. And इनका एक मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज और जो उनकी स्ट्रेंथ है वो है फाइनेंस, जो which we realize, and the reason when we were looking at that which chapter of industries जो कि मिनिस्ट्री के साथ under the umbrella of ministry होगी, which chapter should we get to Kashmir, we realize that कश्मीर में एक सबसे बड़ी, बाकी सब चीजें हैं, पर एक एंटरप्रेन्योर को जो चाहिए एक्सेस टू मार्केट भी वो खुद मेहनत करके निकालेगा, मेंटर्स भी निकालेगा, बट फाइनेंस की उसकी लिमिटेशन आती है. तो वी एक्चुअली बॉयल डाउन, वी एक्चुअली वेर वर्किंग विद द FTII नेशनल लीडरशिप कि हम कश्मीरी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए फाइनेंशियल हब या इन्वेस्टमेंट हब कैसे स्ट्रेंथन करें, बिकॉज ये कश्मीरी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स का एक गैप है. इस गैप को कहीं ना कहीं पर हमें फुलफिल करना है. The vision of and the mission of FTII is basically entrepreneur, business, economic growth. कैसे हम एक सिटी में लाए, अपने स्टेट में लाए या टेरिटरी में लाए, गवर्नमेंट के साथ हम कैसे एडवोकेसी करें, पॉलिसी में हमारा कैसे से हो, because we are an industry, because we've got industry people from the industry, we should have the say with the government. So trade fairs, seminars, events, B2B, and you would notice that we have two boxes here. One is the YLF, which is Youth Leadership Forum, and also Women Chapter. But अभी हम इन YLF और EWEF पे नहीं जाएंगे. We would not concentrate on that because we would actually get this Kashmir chapter. We will strengthen it, and then we will involve other female entrepreneurs or youth entrepreneurs, जैसे जो startups है, जो accelerators है, और जो यंग स्टार्टअप्स हैं उनको हम बाद में इन्वॉल्व करेंगे. सो इट विल बी डन इन फेजेस, वी वोंट टेक अप ऑल ऑफ दैट ऑल टुगेदर. सो FTII इज ऑलरेडी वर्किंग ऑन द गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव्स. इनका बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग इनिशिएटिव्स हैं, चाहे वो मेक इन इंडिया हो, स्टार्टअप इंडिया हो, स्टैंड अप इंडिया हो, स्किल इंडिया हो, एंड वेरियस इनिशिएटिव्स ऑफ अडॉप्ट, जो कि हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इनिशिएटिव है, which is largely about access to markets. वो is very very strong. So whether it is also the forums of G20 or Azad Amrit, all of these initiatives, FTI is a part of all of that. Now when we are talking about FTI's mission is on Kashmir. When we are talking about the Kashmir focus, we are talking about first the leadership. The leadership is Mr. Syed Niaz Ahmad Shah, a pioneer industrialist. Everybody knows him. Elson Motors, 70-year legacy. I think we were the first automobile company from Tonga to car. That is the legacy that he brings. Plus, he's into various industries, whether it is education, automobiles, electronics, retail, real estate, hospitality. So he comes with that experience. He is supported by Shaukat, the president, Shaukat Qayyum, and he comes with a very extensive experience of automobile, retail and construction, and which I see largely a lot of pairs both in automobile, retail and construction that we have here. So when we are looking at the focus of Kashmir of FTII, we're looking that we are going to be a platform which is going to bring in an economic transformation. कहने के लिए बहुत अच्छा word है economic transformation, but कैसे करेंगे इस economic transformation, which is about that we would be a bridge. We have to act as a bridge, as a one-stop shop for the business community, and that one-stop
to solve problems like for automobiles also they are not been able to solve. We have to up-part it. We have to upskill our this thing and be ready for it. And that's how our team should come up. We should sit together and make up the proposals, and I think we can do it. We can even make our own financial hub.
Yes.
We can even make our own investment banking to make ourselves strong.
I remember where in 80s we were probably the first. Alson was the first financial and leasing company which we had. At that time ये nomenclature नहीं होता था, वो की non-banking financial company NBFC वाला नहीं था. But when I have actually worked with NBFCs, in fact I told few people जो NBFCs, I said we've done it in 80s. My family has actually done this in 80s.
Much earlier than that. In 60s we were doing the financing.
So Kashmir has
very
that
first
potential.
car was sold with the financing. It is only a matter of 3,000 rupees. Even that
Yeah,
was
but you're
sold
right.
on
The
finance.
NBFC can be set up in Kashmir, and you.
We can
all
also,
could-
as a team, the members can make ourselves strong and become a. Well, I know RBI guidelines are there for having banking or.
Yeah, आजकल तो बहुत आसान भी किया. आजकल तो fractional investment भी है. So those are opportunities जो पहले नहीं थी. आजकल तो बहुत सारी चीजें भी है कि NBFC भी है, fractional investments भी है, मतलब shares है, REITs है. So financing has become
when
easier
I
now
talked to
in
Sanjay
terms of.
Bansal, he said, I am open for it and I will come with financial strength. I will come with that also strong arm. So Kashmir needs that kind of.
They have
We can't
MOU
bank on
with
JK
35
Bank,
banks.
or we can't bank.
Where they
You see,
can
these
have-
days I have found all the bankers have their sanctioning authorities in Jammu. And who is in Jammu? Some clerk who doesn't even know Kashmir, who doesn't even know you. He will ask you to umpteen times of documents. And for what?
उनके
For 1
SOPs
crore.
है.
2
उनको
crore
वो
rupees.
SOP वो क्या पत्थर के लकीर है, उसको A अगर कैपिटल लिखना है तो A कैपिटल लिखना है, Z अगर स्मॉल में लिखना है तो स्मॉल में लिखना है, वो पत्थर के लकीर बने हुए हैं. So this is
They're controlling Kashmir from Jammu because of that. With those all these financial bankers are having controls there. But that has to come out. We have to work for Kashmir in a proper way. And that's where I think FTII can help. And that's where we have to, that's why we will form a team. We have good members who are also very strong. And
But my recommendation is, while you have a team also, what you should also do is, it's my recommendation, that you should also create some committees under the secretaries or the joint secretaries to create, like you have automobile, you have construction, you
Yes,
have
yes,
agro.
yes.
These things are which you
Hotels
which
are
can be
hoteliers
taken.
are here. Sarwar has a hotel in Pahalgam.
Hotels are also there.
So Irshad is also in the committee. So like for the
So
hoteliers,
3
we
or
can
4. You pick up 4 industries which are common and create those committees because you know your industry well.
then
What is the problem in that industry? What is required in that industry? That bridge is very important. And then you can create
But
your
we have
own.
to also create one banking section of ours. Banking section, then only we can be able to talk with the central from financial point of view. Because
आप
finance is
phases
a
में
very
committees
important thing.
create करें जो मतलब क्योंकि एक कमेटी जब आप बनाते हैं आपको उसको स्केल अप करना है स्केल अप इन द सेंस कि उसका एक ऑब्जेक्टिव हो एक गोल होगा एक पर्टिकुलर चीज होगी ना मतलब उसको अकम्प्लिश करना है जब वो रीच करेगा देन इट कैन गो ऑटोमेटिकली तब आपको फिर दूसरी कमेटी को आप ऐसे दे आपको आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए अमंगस्ट योरसेल्फ एज ऑल मेंबर्स create those 4-5 committees.
Sorry for
Please.
interrupting. I just wanted to understand. So how will we be functioning? As in, do we have a real-time office somewhere, and how? Because see, it is a long. It is not a one-day job. It is a
No.
4-5 years thing. So it should be all well documented and well followed up in the
Absolutely.
coming times.
Right.
So,
Good structure.
do we have a structure in place or the office?
देखो ये डेमोक्रेटिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है ऑफ द पीपल बाय द पीपल फॉर द पीपल आप हो सब ठीक है
we have an office, na, in Srinagar.
so
We can use
so
that.
everything has to be decided कि
Then we'll create there. I mean,
We'll
that
create,
office
we'll
the
create.
secretariat
is
has to be
required.
created.
It is just the beginning, na. It's
Yes,
just the
देखिए
beginning.
we
मैंने
are
पहले
just-
बताया
Today we are just
ये चैप्टर
introducing
का
it.
विजन है ये
And
चैप्टर
are we interested to follow this line? Are we interested to be a member? First of all, second, can we devote our time to this? Then a secretariat is formed. Then constitution.
But
is
it's
formed.
completely non-political. Huh?
हाँ
Yeah,
I
It's
mean, of course.
nothing to do with the
businessman is always
Yeah.
apolitical
because some people they have the confusion. Na? Maybe Delhi, वो ये सब तो it's nothing.
नहीं,
like
नहीं,
that.
दिल्ली तो चाहिए
Delhi.
क्योंकि दिल्ली चाहिए लॉबिंग के लिए
वहाँ तो
उसके
lobbyist
बगैर
चाहिए
काम
ना।
चलेगा नहीं
Lobbyist के बगैर कभी
Lobbying is
आज
very
तो
important.
अमेरिका में भी कोई काम नहीं हो रहा lobbyist के
बी
बगैर।
टू जी बी टू बी ये हमेशा इम्पोर्टेंट है अगर कोई सोचता है कि अगर बी टू बी रहेगा बी टू जी नहीं रहेगा देन वो फिर प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं रहेगा ये प्लेटफॉर्म इस्तेमाल करना ही है उस लॉबिंग के लिए तभी बेनिफिट है
No, actually no, ये जो इन्वेस्टर का आपका पहला था इसमें बैंकिंग is so as soon as we get some more financing agencies here, funding agencies, the tempo of the existing financial institutions will go down. तो आज की डेट में भी JK Bank has also improved a lot since past 4 years. तो आज तो उनका अभी ऑडिट रहता है, they call us ट्रांजैक्शन होने भी क्या बात है, तो it has marginally improved, but I would say that the more bankers we have here, so it will surely
मल्टीपल
improve it.
प्लेयर्स पे करना पड़ेगा देखिए बैंकिंग का ना एक तो जैसे एनीबडी हु इज लुकिंग फॉर फाइनेंस ठीक है एंड द ब्यूरोक्रेट विल नॉट लेट इट गो दे विल नॉट लेट इट गो सो इफ आई एम पॉलिटिकली इनकरेक्ट एक स्टेट है जहाँ पे आपको हर एक लेवल पे पैसा देना है दूसरा स्टेट है आपको एक बंदे को ही देना वो ही सारी चीजें नेगोशिएट करना है
lobbyist
तो that is like if you go to Gujarat कोई कहेगा कि it's corruption free it is not कोई कहेगा UP is very corrupt well it is but at every level you have to give and everybody opens its mouth like a crocodile so UP that's a part of our culture but I would still say I love corruption because काम हो जाता है हो जाता है honest officer is a pain I'm being
But
politically
unfortunately यहाँ पे वैसा नहीं, मतलब यहाँ पे पैसा भी लेंगे तो काम भी
होगा नहीं,
होगा नहीं।
UP used to be like that, huh? UP changed. UP used to be like that. But see, I tell you what, that also. नहीं, यहाँ पे actually में आप देखोगे prosperity and when businesses will come, they will be, people are not left with choices. UP was exactly the same way. But अब UP में बहुत not because of UP, because already had started with Akhilesh's government. कि people had started working. It was not that. That's why यूपी में काफी progress हो गई, right? But and it is one of the second largest
वो चेंजेस यहाँ पे भी हमें नजर आ रही हैं।
आएंगी यहाँ पे.
आ रही हैं नजर।
And now with train also coming up, and I feel opportunities will be very high here. And I think the time has come for us also to gear up from the traditional chamber work to lobbyistic, lobby type of this organization. And I think it's very high time we should do it like this. Like use our lobbies in Delhi. See the new laws which have come up, which they are not implementing here.
Yeah.
Make them implement them here. Make the bankers implement it, because that's how it will ease the finance. And otherwise, we create our own. Also, at the same time, take good people who can investigate. I'd like to create an IPO and all. So that can be also done and thought about. But having the lobbyists in Delhi to help us to do it.
That's
Without
where the
that, it
national
cannot happen.
Leadership comes in place. That's where the national leadership comes in place. So today's meeting actually was largely where एक introduction आप लोगों के साथ सबों के साथ formally हो जाती, and secondly एक vision board share हो जाता, and more importantly what are your expectations? Expectations क्या है from FTII so that we can work together on this thing. अब हमें आपसे क्या चाहिए, which is the volunteering work. And yes, the office is very, very essential. So please propose if you have any places in mind, anything in place. We could all start looking at that. And we're also looking at members. President साहब आप कुछ बोले, आपके बदले मैं बोल रही हूँ.
एक साल से बोल.
So
I think we should divide it into like construction. Ikhlaq Saab is here, या Danish Saab है, या Bilal Saab है. So let's have a separate group for the construction industry. So they
वो
know.
आपकी joint secretaries जो आएंगे ना, वो
हाँ,
committees.
that's what I'm.
Hold the committees,
So
these committees.
reality is there.
पहले तो टीम बनाइए ना.
वो joint secretaries as per the
पहले
industry.
vice presidents, फिर general secretary और फिर
I think joint secretary like 3.
and general secretary has to be a strong person
They can always
who
be 4
can
joint
manage
secretaries.
this.
That is not a problem.
Let's divide it as per the profile of the industry.
Let everybody know, put up volunteer, put up their name, have an election done, and office that a secretariat is required. So put that, decide all of that.
Right now?
But you say
Please, अगर करेंगे सोच के करना है वो बताइए, अभी करना है वो बताइए. ये आप लोगों की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, मैं तो
We have to do the
happy
kickstart.
about.
और delay हो रहा है एक साल से.
Maybe manageable ना पड़े सकते.
आज की मीटिंग भी मैंने फोर्स की है.
Actually, some
नहीं, absolutely.
थोड़े issues हुए तो family members की वजह से. But it's very helpful, and they have assured us, everyone, that they are going to help us in a very professional way. Neat and clean cases they are going to help us to any extent. And the benefit is of the finances का benefit है, plus जो investments, like they have the connection in 50 countries. So maybe handicraft का जैसे कह रहे थे, तो we can have the joint
Lord
venture.
Sanjay also told me that even a heavy investment is required. We have to produce with them. They will help us in getting the finance also.
और आजकल investments equity है, debt है, private equities है, financial institutions है. So all of that excess जो पहले कश्मीरियों के पास नहीं था, वो अब excess अब है, मगर आना चाहिए. ठीक है, that is what this platform needs to do. Get those opportunities, create those opportunities for Kashmiri businesses, especially their members. More importantly, first starting point is the Kashmiri members के लिए ये opportunity create करना.
जैसे सर ने कहा, I think lobbying एक तो national level पे जरूरत है, plus state level
State में भी.
implementation. We have real estate जो यहाँ पे मतलब various players are trying to enter. हमारा master plan है, उसमें जो high density regions they have identified, उसके लिए जो road जा रही है that is 3.5 meters road और है HDR जो कहीं से भी रेरा compliance नहीं है. तो अगर कोई वहाँ जाके 8 माला की 3 buildings बना देता है, how will
The 500
government goals.
Exactly, cadre. So implementation, lobbying at state level is very important. Because as businessmen हम डरते हैं कि भाई हम इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, एक तो हुआ पैसा, दूसरा अपना नाम
इंडिया हो and various initiatives of ODOC जो कि handicrafts के लिए बहुत important initiative है और which is largely about access to markets, वो is very very strong. So whether it is also the forums of G20 or Azad Amrit, all of these initiatives, FDI is a part of all of that. Now when we are talking about FDI's mission is on Kashmir. When we are talking about the Kashmir focus, we are talking about first the leadership. The leadership is Mr. Syed Niaz Ahmed Shah, a pioneer industrialist. Everybody knows him. Elson Motors, 70-year legacy. I think we were the first automobile company from Tonga to car. That is the legacy that he brings. Plus, he's into various industries, whether it is education, automobiles, electronics, retail, real estate, hospitality. So he comes with that experience. He is supported by Shaukat, the president, Shaukat Qayyum, and he comes with a very extensive experience of automobile, retail and construction, and which I see largely a lot of pairs both in automobile, retail and construction that we have here. So when we are looking at the focus of Kashmir of FTII, we are looking that we are going to be a platform which is going to bring in an economic transformation. कहने के लिए बहुत अच्छा word है economic transformation, but कैसे करेंगे इस economic transformation, which is about that we would be a bridge. We have to act as a bridge, as a one-stop shop for the business community, and that one-stop shop किसके साथ है? Whether it is all the stakeholders, जितने भी business और trade और industry के साथ stakeholders होंगे, उनके साथ we are going to be that bridge. We are going to act as a bridge for that. So it's a one-stop shop platform. That is the economic transformation we want to bring in. ये हमें सब कुछ करना है. ये है नहीं. This is in the national and already other existing chapters. Because this is a new chapter, so this bridge and this platform has to be created. And you are the initial members, so इसलिए we all have to pitch in to make it a very strong platform. And this bridge, largely when we are looking at this, and this is something which we talked about, Kaisar, we talked about the global access to Kashmir corporates and the Kashmiri access to both national as well as global corporates. So we are going to act as that bridge, and this bridge, the one-stop shop, whether it is the industry to industry, agro to agro to construction to construction, IT to IT, pairs that or varied industries, we are going to be looking at that. Trade bodies, we are also going to collaborate with trade bodies. We cannot do anything alone. कभी अकेले में किया नहीं जा सकता. We will have to work with PhD, we will have to work with CII, we would have to work with FICCI, we would have to work with NAREDCO, we would have to work with World Trade Center, we would have to work with other trade bodies. Solar है, solar की association है. इंडिया में 450 trade organizations and chambers. So we would start looking and working how we are going to be collaborating with them. ताकि वो एक्सेस और वो इकोनॉमिक प्लेटफॉर्म हमारा वन स्टॉप शॉप होगा. देन डिफरेंट बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, वेदर जैसे IBM है, जो भी इंडिया इन कंपनीज है, Amazon है, इवन टेस्ला, now they're investing in India, Google. So these big companies which are investing in India, we need to be looking at how do we get a piece of our slice from them. We have to create that opportunity. Academia है, चाहे वो IIM हो, IIT हो, कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी हो, ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी हो, we have to get those academia to collaborate with us. Government, obviously, whether it is the central government or whether it is the state government or whether it is the bureaucracy, we have to work along with them. because policy, unko hamari problems, we have to create those opportunities. Investors, we all require investors, whether it is in our businesses or whether we require it in the region. We will be working with them. And entrepreneurs, banks, very important, the financial institutions and corporates. So this is what the one-stop shop that we are looking at and thinking of becoming that bridge. So the Focus Kashmir is also under Make in India initiative. We are looking at under Make in India, there are 25 industries which have been recognized. So we have shortlisted some of the industries wherein the focus would be on Kashmir. You know, because Focus Kashmir, so these are the new industries that we are looking with. Some are existing, some need to be created, but already have a potential. We did some little bit of research and this is what we have come out with. So the power of 5. I love my acronyms, the power, so the 5 E's. So FTII's vision under the leadership of the chairman and the president is that we are going to be dealing with the power of 5. That is 5 E's. One is enhancing the trade infrastructure. It is very, very important that we create Kashmir as a business magnet and increase the global reach, not only of our products, our businesses, but also of the region. Encourage investment. We create linkages to 3 M's. That is access to money, market, mentors. Enable the national and the global stakeholders, basically the collaborations that we are talking about. Enriching the entrepreneurs. I think one of the most important things when I was working with the Prime Minister, we talked about Skill India.